by HirlingerChevrolet.
This solid 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche is equipped with tenacious gas/ethanol V8 5.3L/325 engine, proven automatic transmission, has four-wheel drive, and has 66,562 miles. Its electronic and entertainment features include daytime running lamps with automatic exterior lamp control, midget, foldable door between cargo box and cab, with a removable and stowable rear window and moldings, body side, color keyed. This vehicle keeps your safety in mind with power door locks with lockout protection. Call or come in today to arrange a test drive.
HirlingerChevrolet is located at 158 Harrison Brookville Road in West Harrison, Indiana. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you soon.